the tire changer that we assembled yesterday, and we're going to mount it to the concrete here in this corner that I had cleaned up. We're going to use hammer drill, which they make like really good hammer drills. This just happens to be what I have, and this is about what most regular people would have. It's just a regular old drill with the hammer setting. It works okay for small projects like this. We have a 3/8 inch drill bit, and it's the masonry bit. Should work pretty well. And then we have anchors. The anchors, you drill your hole out, which these are 3/8 as well, and then you slide this down through your hole. You may have to tap it in some, and then when you tighten the nut, it'll pull on this keyway, which will separate to be able to hold it down in there nice and tight. So all I gotta do is take my center punch holes, move that out of the way, drill the holes, and then we'll install them. Mark my hole. It's a little hard to see, but I can tell where it is. It's next to the bird poop. So you just apply some force, try to keep it straight. I don't think there's a need to go too fast. Well, isn't that just doing nothing? You have to wonder if you hit a piece of rebar or something. Normally that's your luck. You hit rebar and you have to move everything. That guy's literally drilling nothing. Well, that was hard enough. Clean your hole out. And see, that should be far enough. Slide it up just a little bit. Always protect your threads. But before installing them, we're going to go ahead and drill the rest of the holes so that we know we don't hit a piece of rebar or something, have to move it over. So yeah, we got the holes drilled. It wasn't too hard, and hopefully we'll have them in the right spot. Got them cleaned out. Best to get them nice and clean. Looks like all 4 of them might go in. That'd be pretty cool. Just hammer that guy on down. Don't damage your threads. Uh-oh. I have to use a bigger hammer. And then find the wrench. Probably a 13 millimeter. I don't know if I don't see one anywhere. Yep. Then once you find the wrench, just tighten them up. And normally, you should be able to go just about as tight as you can make it. If you got the anchor in right. If you don't have the anchor in right, you'll normally go pop right about somewhere. And there you have it. That thing's in there pretty good. Hopefully it'll withstand some leverage. And we'll try putting a tire on next.